Remember when you could blast away years of unwanted dirt and grime? Today, we're going to show you how to get your WEN 3100 PSI pressure washer up and running. The main engine and wheel configuration have been pre-assembled to make setup as easy as possible. First, attach the foot to the center of the frame's base using an M8 lock nut. Wrench tighten until the foot is nice and snug. Next, place the upper frame and handle assembly onto the two upright tubes protruding from the lower frame. Press down firmly until the two detent pins snap into place. After that, attach the upper gun hook. To do this, remove the washers and bolts that have been pre-installed on the upper frame assembly. Then, use these same washers and bolts to secure the gun hook into place. Do the same with the lower gun hook, using the included M6 screw and lock nut to attach the hook to the side of the frame's base. Now you're ready to install the spray gun. Attach the high pressure hose to the bottom of the gun's handle. Next, install the lance to the tip of the spray gun. Pick from one of the 5 included nozzles and attach it to the quick connect sleeve found at the end of the lance. Make sure to use the soap nozzle if you plan on having any soap in the onboard soap tank. After that, connect a garden hose to your water supply. Make sure to turn the water on in order to flush out any debris prior to attaching it to the pressure washer. Connect the garden hose to the pump inlet, making sure that the inlet screen and the washer are present. Then, attach the pressure hose to the pump outlet. Once both hoses are secure, turn the water back on. With the water running and the engine off, squeeze the spray gun's trigger to purge out any air in the system. You can also do this again just before turning on the engine to be safe. Next, carefully add approximately 17.6 fluid ounces of 4-cycle engine oil to the unit. You'll know when the unit has enough oil once you can see it climbing up the threads in the crankcase hole. Pour gasoline into the fuel tank until the fuel level reaches about 1.5 inches from the top of the tank's neck, or approximately 1.25 gallons. If your job requires soap, add up to a quart of pressure washer soap into the soap tank found on the side of the machine before starting the unit. Now you're ready to turn the unit on. First, slide the fuel valve to the on position and the choke lever to the choke position. Next, turn the engine switch to the on position. Finally, pull the recoil starter to start the engine. Once the machine is running and the engine is warmed up, slide the choke lever to the run position. If the engine fails to start, release the built-up pressure by squeezing the trigger of the spray gun before attempting to pull the recoil handle. Now you're ready to clean. The WEN 3100 PSI Gas-Powered Pressure Washer provides all the cleaning power you need to take on sidewalks, driveways, vehicles, roofs, bricks, and more. Remember when you had over 3,000 pounds of cleaning power per square inch?
Remember when.